Good day, sir. I am Brett Mark de Casa, BSMD3 Betelgeuse, and this is my video for the International Code of Flag Signals. So, Alpha, diver below, keep clear. Bravo, dangerous cargo. Charlie, affirmative. Delta, keep clear. Echo, I am altering my course to starboard. Foxtrot, I am disabled. Golf, I require a pilot. Hotel, I have a pilot on board. India, I am altering my course to port. Juliet, I'm on fire, keep clear. Kilo, I desire to communicate. Lema, you should stop instantly. Mike, I am stopped. November, negative. Oscar, man overboard. Papa, about to sail. Quebec, my vessel is silty, I require a pre-fatigue. Romeo, the way is off the ship. Sierra, my engines is going astern. Tango, keep clear of me. Uniform, you are standing into danger. Victor, I require assistance. Whiskey, I require medical assistance. X-ray, stop your intention. Yankee, I am dragging anchor. Zulu, I require a tug. So that is all, sir. Thank you.